Hello, coin engineers, and welcome back. Today we're gonna trace the money in crypto market. We're gonna talk about the latest news and latest chances in the ecosystem, and also we will talk about the Bitcoin's price action, latest price action. We had an emergency situation. Right now, it doesn't look like so scary, but it may turn to one. So we're gonna tell you all about it and warn you beforehand before everything starts. So keep watching the live stream until the end and hit the thumbs up button to help us to thank us.
Hello everybody, today we are talking about current market situations. In addition to that, there are lots of changes, lots of news, as Mert said, and we also want to mention about the meme coins, meme tokens, and VRC 20s. There are lots of informations about that, and in the past situations, there are so many hype. Even if the lost of the hype of the IDs, now there are lots of possibilities about the IDs again in different ecosystems as Starknet, and also the space ID hype is coming because the metaverse projects are coming into the partnerships between space ID as well. There are lots of projects around the utility tokens and utility projects as well, like the meme token based, and these are the topic ones right now. And the zkSync blockchain is giving us so many meme tokens, but it's so many important because be aware on scammers. Every single meme token is not mean the possibility right now because there are lots of scammers on the market right now about this situation, and the stability is changed to the meme coins. We will talk about this. We will talk about the airdrop things with the other friends of ours, with John, with Arda, and they also speak about this situation in the short term. So basically, Birgin, you can start with the Bitcoin analysis, and we can continue on the other fundamental analysis like that. And let's go, man.
For sure, you can share the screen if you want, the trading
Yeah,
view
yeah, yeah,
screen.
yeah.
So
Of course.
the visualization is always better. Uh, So, guys, the heads up warning is that we had a double tap at the moment. I posted the short video on YouTube just 15 minutes ago or something like that. You can check out on our YouTube channel. The emergency situation is this one, the 27,400 level is a key point right now. And as you can see, guys, after breaking down this channel, now we had a downtrend. We managed to break it, but it didn't stand for long since we had another resistance line at this level, yeah, 27,400 level. Why did this happen after the breakout? Why couldn't we just went to 30k levels? As you can see, just a strong resistance zone, another strong resistance zone. The rally stopped at these points. Why couldn't we go up to those levels again? The reason is the market lacks volume at the moment. There's no volume, no money flowing in crypto market. The cycles comes and goes back. The meme tokens are in the hype at the moment. In 1 month ago, it was the airdrop projects like Aptos, Arbitrum, Optimism. When Arbitrum made an airdrop, even Optimism's token went crazy high. It made a rally again. So those cycles, those rallies may happen, but the most important thing is Bitcoin itself. Because if Bitcoin goes up, all those cycles, all those rallies will be even bigger. Will make even more money for yourself, and that's why we will focus on Bitcoin in these minutes. So, as I said earlier, 27 and 400 level is really crucial for us. If we can manage to break it, then everything is fine. We will just watch where will Bitcoin price goes up to and where will it stop. It never goes always green. It never does. So there will be a top again, and the thing that we will watch after that top is a new higher low. if Bitcoin makes a price action like this, if it breaks this, goes up to 28,000 levels, 29,000 levels, and then makes a new low at higher than this point, higher than 26,500 level, then we are all okay. We are all good. There's no problem. That's what we must see for the new rally, for all those cryptocurrencies going up. But if we can manage to break the 27,400 level, the thing that I'm afraid is double top will start working, and the target will be nearly, if we make the target like this, the target will be 25,000 level zone. 25,000 level zone will be the new target, and as you can see, guys, it's a support level. If this level also breaks, it won't be good. So that's all I'm watching right now. The red line, 27,400 level, is the crucial point. In the coming hours, it will be even more crucial because every time, every second that we couldn't break this, it gets even worse. That's all I'm going to talk about for Bitcoin. If you have any additions, you can tell, guys.
What is the possibility of a new bull trend? What do you think? What do we specifically need for to break down that resistance zone?
Volumes, definitely volumes. I'll show you the volumes at the moment.
So I can go to wait until daily. The meme token hype is passed. Is that correct?
Probably. You can see the volumes. You can see the volumes. I'll look at the volume chart in the long term. Those crazy volumes are happened because of the Binance's zero commission rates. I'm not gonna tell those rates.
When was the last time the volume peaked the highest? The latest ones.
Yeah.
That one?
It's, November, December. Not December, but November, October. These times, these levels were with the highest volumes. Since that Binance made zero commissions, but it still continues, and but the volumes are really not at the good.
I think by the end of this month, or maybe by the middle of the next month, the volume increase will happen based on
that might happen.
Data, as I'm saying. If you look at the volume chart, then if you look at that gap, the next gap that the volume should hype, the peak is the next month.
Hey, I also want to make an addition because this is very important situation on these volumes, because there is the news from the XRP, and after the XRP signal, the Bitcoin is going high a little bit. But I also want to give the additional things. The important one is the taxes, and the other percentage in the Powell's speech. So this is very important for the fundamental analysis. And for this, if the inflation rates on America is going up and the other things are coming for the negative, Bitcoin's going down again. And even if the small talks affect the Bitcoin very negative in this case, because as you know about the other news, for the production news of the economy about the US, this is very important, because after this intelligence, after these explanations, Bitcoin is also going down. And
for our subscribers, when is the next Fed announcement?
It's in the mid of the June. It's the mid of the June, and the projected ones, because the Powell is explained the new rates of the inflation again, and then after this news, Bitcoin going down and going up for the fundamental analysis. But for the other news like the meme tokens or something or different hypes, maybe the volume can be increased again, but it's about the news.
There's still a recession risk. The recession hasn't come back, haven't came yet.
But and that's also, another thing. Like, nowadays, most of the banks are bankrupting. Most of the investment firms are bankrupting. By that logic, the Bitcoin price should have been at least 30 to 35,000 at the moment, but it's not.
Yeah,
How
but
is it related to the recession? Like, what do you think?
Yeah.
How is it parallel, or is it? How is it? How does it work?
The Bitcoin price, or
Yes.
in a recession situation, I don't believe Bitcoin will go that high levels. Everything goes down. Only US dollar goes up if a recession happens in the US. Why is that? Because everybody needs money. In a recession, no one has money. The people cannot give back their debts. The firms cannot also, and that makes a lack of money. That creates a lack of money, and people needs money. So what do you do when you don't have money? You sell your assets. So and also those times, those recession times, are the best times to gather assets, to buy assets. If you wanna get in real estate, if you wanna get in crypto, if you wanna get in the stock market, that's the best time. But for the investors that have invested already, these times might be bad. But if you have cash reserve, in every live stream, in every video, we always say that, in every analysis, always have cash in a downtrend. If you have cash, there's no problem. If there's a big drop happens, you can always buy more from cheap prices.
And for the basic fundamental analysis, again, the other news are coming from the banks. Yeah, you also know about the Silicon Valley news, but at this time, Bitcoin didn't affect in the past, and Bitcoin didn't care about the banks sometimes. This is about the liquidity. This is about the new investors. This is about the current news and the new investors. Again, this cycle is coming into like this, because in the events we are talking with the whale guys, biggest guys, the investors. They are looking for always the basic analysis, in an addition to that the technical analysis again, and they are making their investments in their side, and the traders and the other ideological fanatics guys in the investment side. So this is the key point. This is not about the banks. This is not about, because there are lots of millionaires. There are lots of whales. There are lots of cash money in their hand right now. Because don't forget about this. When we are in May, you have to sell. This logic is coming to the VCs, and they are selling them bitcoins and give their monies and go to the holiday. So this is not only for the technical and basic analysis, but also the whales are affecting.
So there are many variations to consider in this topic.
Yeah, sure. And yes,
the cliche of sell in May and go away happened.
Yeah, also.
Yeah, exactly. And this affect the Bitcoin again, then again. And this is about this situation, and not only for this, but also the other altcoins are dumped after the meme coin things, and the changing max, and everything has been changed for this situation again. And now we are turned back in the altcoins, even if the trusted ones. So this was very upset situation, but it is going up after the good news. After
guys, I have one last question for you regarding Bitcoin. What do you guys think that should happen for the Bitcoin dominance to decrease?
It's about chapel lighting.
Yeah, at this situation, while Bitcoin is going down, I think Bitcoin dominance shouldn't be going down also, because in a strong bull market, it happened always like this, and I believe that it's the healthiest one, is that in a bull market, the Bitcoin dominance should go up with the Bitcoin's price at first, because the big money, the smart money flows into Bitcoin. And the earlier Bitcoin investors, when Bitcoin makes a good rally, when they earn a lot of money, they will sell their Bitcoin and buy altcoins to earn more money from crypto market. Then that's how altcoin rally starts. And then after those early investors, the big money, the Wall Street, starts flowing their money to altcoins, and that's the cycle.
Thank you so much for your
When Bitcoin goes down, if Bitcoin dominance goes also down, that must mean that the money is flowing back to another like meme coins or an airdrop project that makes hype or another thing, or the stable coins. And that's not the perfect thing, because we want to see the Bitcoin as the strongest coin in the crypto ecosystem, since as I've said earlier, the cycle and all those things. When Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go even deeper. That's the thing that can never change, unless of course that can some altcoins may stay stronger or make a rally, but that doesn't change the cycle itself. The important thing is the stable coins, the Tether, the USDC, BUSD, and all those stuff. If money in the crypto ecosystem flows into those stable coins, that's a bad thing, because that means the traders, the investors, doesn't trust crypto anymore. They only trust they want to stay stable in stable coins and try to hit the bottom. That will hurt the ecosystem.
Yes, and in other news, for the Shapella upgrade of the Ethereum is very important, because you know about the proof of stake mechanism of the Ethereum has been announced in the past months. So after this upgrade, the investors of the angel investors of the Ethereum Foundation is give their money into the Ethereum again, and they lock their periods. And this means they are trusting in the Ethereum proof of stake mechanism, and this affected the current market in the positive way. So we are talking now, and after the big gaps, now a little bit raise is give us very big excitements in the altcoins again. So Bitcoin dominance about the altcoins is very important, but Ethereum is also very important in these days, because itself it gives the market going ups and going down. So this is the key point that I also want to mention about.
Thank you, Alper.
Thank you so much, man. And Arda, do you have any opinions in the current market? What do you think about the new possibilities, airdrops, or new ecosystems? Can you also give us the information, man?
I would like to say, in current situation, I would recommend trying every airdrop opportunity, because in the current market, one day you lose all your money, the next day you make double your money. It happens every day. But airdrop is a certain way of money, and I mean, when you think about it, you're just getting maybe thousands of dollars just by making simple transactions. So in the current situation, it's the best way to get actually free money. I'm gonna say free money, because that's what it is. You make just basic transactions, and then you get paid thousands of dollars depending on your transactions. So I would recommend our followers and subscribers to watch our Starknet, Layer 0, and zkSync airdrop tutorial playlists. They can find all the links in the description box below. We will add.
Actually, speaking of the airdrops, Arda, I noticed that you are recording lots of new testnet videos and new airdrop videos for our subscribers. Could you give some information about them?
Yes, I would like to say Argent Wallet, one of the biggest Starknet wallets, is running a campaign right now, and they will be giving away 8 NFTs over the next 8 weeks. And we already showed our subscribers how to get the first 3, and we will be showing how to get the rest 5. These NFTs might be valuable, and also when our subscribers watch these videos, they will be making transactions on the Starknet, which will be increasing their airdrop chance on the Starknet. And Starknet airdrop might be very close, because as you know, Stark token is already out, is already launched. It's actually waiting for it to be airdropped, if you ask me. And zkSync is in that situation. It might be really close for an announcement to make. And when people hear the airdrop announcement, the first thing they feel is regret. They're going to ask themselves, why didn't I make more transactions to get more tokens, or why didn't I use more accounts than just one? But right now nobody has I mean, mostly people have no belief in crypto because they lose money, and it's understandable. Sometimes we lose faith, So I recommend just keep up the good faith and keep watching our videos. That's what I would say.
And is it too late for Starknet? What do you think about it?
For Arbitrum, for example, they didn't ask for any users to make a transaction before a certain date. So I would never say it's too late for some airdrop opportunity. I mean, maybe you're gonna do 50 transactions today, and you're gonna get more tokens than all of us combined here. So you never know if it's too late or not. I would say just keep trying. At least when they announce the airdrop, even if it's too late, you're gonna know that you did your best. But it wasn't your day, it wasn't your best time. But that can happen.
And I think today is the last day for the Bravos wallet score points, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. The first Bravos wallet. We have a video about it. Again, our subscribers can find it on our channel. Argent has announced its third NFT, and Bravos is coming to an end for its first NFT. We don't know how many NFTs will be in total for Bravos, but as
far as I know, it will be a what was it called? I would say live NFT, but it's not. What do you say that the moving NFTs, that it's just constantly moving? What are those NFTs that called? I forgot the name of it.
Yeah, I forgot the name of it too. Mert, do you know it?
Yeah, same.
Yeah, let's say moving NFTs.
Recall.
Let's say moving NFTs.
Yeah.
So as far as I know, that they will give whoever wins that airdrop, they will give those moving NFTs. And as far as they said on the Twitter, it will make some changes in the future for those who hold those NFTs. Like there will be some VIP events for them, and also more options for them in the future.
Yeah, that could happen. I didn't catch that. I probably missed it, but that definitely could happen. It's possible.
And I also want to ask to you, all of you, because it's very important. I think Arbitrum in the past give everybody airdrop their meme tokens. So zkSync ecosystem is also giving 2 tokens. One of them is Lady, but we think a little bit scammy. One of them is the zk apps. So do you think about the Starknet again? Because lots of the ecosystems are linkage between themselves, and about the zkSync and Starknet ecosystem is also huge webs between them because of the Girly and the Ethereum ecosystem, and they are also the layer 2 ecosystems. And what do you think about that?
I would say, well, actually, zk apes, you mentioned it. They essentially, they are built on zkSync, but zkSync itself doesn't have to do anything with, officially I'm talking about, doesn't have to do any. It's just a project that was built on, zkSync. Yeah. So, or for Starknet or for Layer 0, it can happen definitely. But if you ask zk ape, actually, if I remember correctly, made 5x in the last week, because of the hype. And there are actually 600,000 holders of the zk app. It actually shows how many people are working for the zkSync airdrop, because they announced the requirements for the zk apes token airdrop was to make transactions on zkSync Era and also zkSync Lite. So my last recommendation would be for our users or subscribers to definitely watch our zkSync airdrop tutorial videos. That's the first thing you should do after watching this stream.
Thank you so much for your kind information, Arda. Do you have any additionals, guys? And let's finish this live streaming.
Well, I would say that since this BRC20 network just came in, and there's a huge hype about the meme tokens, as you just mentioned. Pepe was one of them. We missed it, sadly. And what I can say for our subscribers is that soon we will have more videos about the BRC20 network and the possibilities in it. And meanwhile, you guys can watch our Bitcoin Ordinals video to learn how to open an Ordinal wallet and how to transfer Bitcoin and mint NFTs that might be useful in the future. Don't miss that out, guys.
Yeah, it's better to know them because even if there's no hype at the moment in the next bull run, probably the hype will go down there. The cycle will turn to them.
Something happened to my camera.
Yeah, no problem. So that's it. In the next bull run, probably you will need to learn them. So it's better to learn at the moment.
Exactly. Is there anything else you guys would like to add for today's broadcast?
Yeah, we talked about pretty much everything. That's all. If you have any question, guys, you can comment down below, or you can, while we are still live, you can send a comment from
Also,
the
you guys
section.
can join our Telegram community, which you can find the link below to access to us 24/7. Because sometimes
also you
we
can
don't see
DM
the
us.
YouTube comments and other things, but if you join to our community and ask questions in there directly, that either me, Arda, Mert, or Alper, or someone else will answer immediately.
Thank you so much for your explanations, and take care, everybody. Goodbye.
Take care, guys.
See you. See you in the
Thank you
next
for
video.
watching, and take care. Until next time.